How to install apps without Apple ID password. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option Screen Time. Make sure you have enabled for this option. Now click on the option Content and Privacy Restriction. Head over to the option iTunes and App Store Purchases. Click on all these options and set it to Allow, installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases. Then navigate to this one section, Require Password, set it to Don't Require. Then you can head back, go to the main page of Settings, scroll down, navigate to the option Face ID and Passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. After you type in that, you'll be directed to this page. Now, here you will find the option of iTunes and App Store. Make sure you have enabled for this option. Once you do that, close this. Now, launch your App Store. Then head over to any of the app that you want to download. Click on Get. Now double click on the power button. With that, your Face ID will be enabled. And now the app will be downloaded without using the password. So this way you are able to install apps without Apple ID password. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.